Hey everyone, enjoy the show.
How you doing today? So recently we were out and about and we found this 1926 General Electric monitor top refrigerator. It was an absolutely beautiful quart. That's the reason we bought it and went through all of the expense for the restoration. This is a super cool, remember this is 1926. In 26, if you have one of these, you was a rich person because only the highfalutin people in the part of town with electricity would have something like this. So, you know, typically everybody does them in Coca-Cola. We really got a little tired of doing that. And me and Jeff and Jaime are fishermen. So we thought, let's do a sporting goods, fishing sporting goods themed refrigerator. So that's what we did. We knocked it apart. We sanded, we used the finest car paint. We added the graphics. Then we did a beautiful clear coat, color sand, and buff. The thing runs very good, as well as they actually reproduce these little feet right here, 4Ds. So I bought a set of the nice feet for it so you can put it on your floor. Beautifully done. As you can see, here's your cruise control. We did these in brass. We did the graphics and then we clear coated really nicely over them. They almost feel a little bit like embossed. Super, super nice. Let me show you inside here. This is what we think of it. So we got our beer, we got our whiskey, we got our Coronas, we got our last catch. As a matter of fact, we're having fish tacos this evening. We got some chips. As you see, everything has been done very nicely, as well as the interior of this was shot with refrigerator porcelain style enamel paint. So it's really super nice. This is the portion which actually keeps the whole thing cold, is here. And as you see, we got some ice cubes cooking up right here. It gets super nice, super cold, works correctly. We think it's a beautiful piece. We are sportsmen, especially fishermen here, so we wanted to do something a little different than Coca-Cola. It's a beautiful piece. It's gonna look good in your cabin, especially if you got a fishing cabin. This is just made for it. Anyway, if you like this, let us know. We'll get it on a nice pallet. We'll have it delivered directly to your home. You plug it in and start having some fun. Anyway, 1926 General Electric monitor top refrigerator.
How noisy is it?
Not that noisy.
I'm like, let's just be quiet, just come on.
Yeah, go ahead. Yeah.
So I'm not hearing basically anything.
Yeah, it's nice, super nice. And this will run. That's why we restored it, because it's a good, solid refrigerator.
These are antiques. These are Mantiques. Antique, Mantique. These guys sell Mantiques. This is their store.
We're bringing stuff every day, in and out, in and out, in and out. We're shaking and baking.
These are their customers.
Give me the rundown on the GMC.
This lived in a bar in Ghent in Belgium.
Follow Jim and Jeff from 9 to 5 or after hours as they buy, sell, and restore the coolest stuff for the coolest collectors worldwide.